HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.
Alright guys, back over here at Kurgan, and they're starting to tear down the Aviator motor first, pulling off valve covers and checking all that stuff, checking those heads which we're pulling off, but seeing anything they can see from the get-go, which is really nice that they would go through that motor first, even though it's supposed to be a good motor. They're going in and doing a link down test and some other stuff, make sure that the cylinders are good before they ever tear it apart, which is really awesome. So and they found some things, so let me show you what we got going on right now. But first, check out this dark horse. It's a little polleny and dusty, but it is pretty wicked looking though. It's all suede black, carbon fiber hood, lowered a little bit, get a lip on there. Looks pretty dang sweet. Alright guys, so in checking out the Aviator motor, pulled out all the spark plugs, started doing a leak down test, which is kind of like a reverse compression test when you can't turn the motor over. You just pump the air in and see how much leaks out. Check the cylinder walls here. You can see the cross hatching is literally still on the cylinder walls, which is great. So the cylinders are in really good condition, but air was leaking out during the leak down test on the whole passenger side. So upon further inspection, started to tear the engine down, really looking into it, realized that it was actually just the head gaskets. That was kind of what we thought it was. So one side head gasket was completely shot, and the Cobra stuff is going on here anyways, and I've got new head gaskets from Ford Performance and all that good stuff. So this is kind of where we're at, so you'll see an update in a minute. Back over here at Kurgan to check out the motor, but look at this thing on the dyno. It's kind of awesome. I mean, it literally looks like it just got pulled out of a junkyard somewhere. It's even got 37 on the windshield and a boosted Coyote, which is insane. And suppose it's around 700 horsepower, which is absolutely crazy. But I guess notches are getting hard to find, but it's really not that bad of a car overall, but it looks like it's just been sitting so long, it's just kind of crazy. Pretty wild. Alright guys, you can see the full block is torn down to the short block, and everything off of it, the water pump, everything. I do have a new oil pump going on. It's a high flow, high volume. So you can see coming up here, this is the leak down test they did directly onto the cylinders and found out the block is completely fine. So it was the head gasket that was bad, and that was really the only thing that was going on there, but everything looks good here. Coming soon.